Please join me in welcoming to the stage Nilima Pokala.
Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya. Let me introduce you to all this ancient Sanskrit shloka, that is mantra. Many of you don't know, or many of you use it every day in your prayers, in your well-wishing to each other. For those who don't know, the meaning of this is, may all beings be happy, may all beings be free of illness. So when I think of this, I don't think of us human beings being happy or free of sickness. I think of beings who have 4 paws and a wagging tail. For me, this is not just an ancient mantra. This is the purpose of my life. This is the heartbeat of my work. And that's what I believe in, and that's what I'll do. We always had dogs while growing up, but I never connected with them. When I say connection, yes, I fed them, played with them, knew when they were angry or sad or whatever, but there was no this connection. And this connection, this awareness, or rather awakening, came when our rescue puppy Oreo came home. I still remember it was a very wet Sunday, Easter Sunday in 2019. For the first time when I took Oreo in my hands and I looked into his eyes, I saw fear, a lot of fear, hope, and the request for love and kindness. And I promised him as his mama, because I was becoming his mama, I'll give him all that I would give to my child. Brought him home, very happy. I saved a puppy. What a great deed I did. I really felt good for some days, and then I thought, what would have happened to Oreo if we did not rescue him? Where would he have gone? Of course, he was a puppy, someone would have taken him home. No big deal. But then I took a step back and remembered all those dogs that I walked past in that shelter in RSPCA Bengal. But what happened to them was my bigger question. And I wanted to know the answers. And that's when I started searching. And the answer was not pretty, because I came to know about Kill Shelter. Do you all know about Kill Shelter? Does everyone know what Kill Shelters mean? Every day, beautiful, healthy puppies, dogs, cats, kittens are killed in those shelters if they are not rehomed, if they're not adopted, if they're not fostered. That's what would have happened to Oreo or our second rescue, Cleo. That made me sad, very sad, knowing that this is what happens in Australia. I thought we live in a developed country. We have a lot of money in our kitty, and people, government is helping all these animals. That's why we don't have any strays here. I was wrong. So wrong. But then I thought, what can I do? What can one person do? Nothing. You just sit and think about it, feel sad about it, and move on. I chose not to do that. And I decided to start helping in whatever way and form I can. And that's when I started helping small charities. You saw some of the photos. Yes, I've helped lots of charities in the last 5 years. Someone needed medicine cost, maybe rehoming cost, transportation cost, some surgery cost. I kept doing. But if I gave 5, the demand was for 500. If I gave 500, the demand was for 5,000. It's not going to stop like this. Something bigger needs to be done. And all these small shelters are struggling within their own means. And that's why I thought of making a consortium. I want to bring the shelters together. And we need to have a consortium where there's a lot of money sitting. This shelter needs the money, here goes the money. This shelter needs the money, here goes the money. And why did I get this idea? Because we joined Rotary around that time. And I saw what Rotary does. They have a pool of money and they help different causes. And I thought, what a great idea. This is what we should do. So, the power of one person. It takes only one person to take the first step. I thought I'll be that one person to do what I want to do, what is close to my heart. I could not have done this alone. And that's when my family wrapped their arms around me. Nikki, Kishore, I could not have done this without you guys. Thank you. I'm so grateful, and I'm grateful to all of you today. Each one of you. You guys have no idea what this means to me. You will never know what you have done together by joining here together for our first event. This is going to be the first of many. But I'm on a mission. The mission to eradicate the word stray from the English vocabulary. It will happen. Not now, maybe after 25 years, whenever. I'm going to create this legacy. Today is my first step, and I'm going to do that. Thank you again, everyone, for joining us today. I'm not standing here to ask money. It's not about money, it's about awareness. Just go and tell few more people that you know, family, friends, about kill shelters, what happens in those shelters, and tell them if they want to adopt, foster, or do anything they can do. People don't know. Whichever dog, breed, size you want, they are out there begging for home. So on that note, I'll leave you all with my prayer, my purpose of life. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya. Let every being have hope, kindness, and home. Thank you.